In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail notifications not working on Android. If your Gmail notifications have suddenly gone quiet, don't worry. We're going to walk through the most common settings that cause this problem, and I'll explain what each one does so you understand why you're changing it. By the end, new emails should reliably appear as notifications on your Android phone again. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Look for the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Tap that to open the side menu. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Settings. If you have more than one Google account on your phone, you'll see them listed here. Tap on the specific email account where you're not receiving notifications. Inside the account settings, look for the Notifications option. This setting controls whether Gmail is even allowed to alert you for that account. Tap on it and make sure it is set to All. If it's on High Priority Only or None, you may miss emails. All ensures every incoming email that reaches your inbox can trigger a notification. Next, still within the same account settings, scroll until you find Inbox Notifications. Tap that and confirm that the checkbox or toggle is turned on. This enables notifications specifically for your inbox. If this is off, even though global notifications are allowed, you still won't see alerts for new messages in your main inbox. While you're there, also check Notify for every message. Turning this on means you'll get a notification for each new email that lands in your inbox, not just grouped or summarized alerts. This is especially important if you rely on Gmail for work or time-sensitive messages and can't afford to miss a single one. After adjusting these settings, it's a good idea to back out to your home screen and give your phone a few moments to sync. You can also pull down to refresh your inbox inside Gmail to make sure everything is up to date. If you want to test it, send yourself a quick email from another account and see if the notification appears on your Android device. That's all you need to do inside the Gmail app to restore notifications. Take a moment to double-check each option exactly as we went through it, and you should start seeing your Gmail alerts working properly again.